In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the header background of your Shopify store transparent. This simple customization will give your website a modern and sleek look, allowing your content to shine through without the distraction of a solid backdrop. Let's dive right into the process. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin panel. On the left-hand menu, you'll want to click on the Online Store option. This is where you manage all themes associated with your store. Under Online Store, you'll find an option labeled Themes. Click on that, and you'll see a list of all the themes you currently have installed. Locate the theme you're working with. In our example, it's called the Sense theme. Once you've found it, look for the Actions button to the right of your theme's name. Click Actions, and from the drop-down menu that appears, choose Edit Code. Now you're inside the code editor, which might feel a bit daunting if you're not used to working with code. But don't worry, we're going to walk you through this step by step. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of folders. Look for the one labeled Assets. Clicking on it will reveal several files, including the main CSS file. This file might be named something like Base CSS or Theme CSS. Select this file to open it. Once you have the CSS file open, scroll all the way to the bottom. This is where we'll add our custom CSS code. This code is designed to make your header background transparent across all the pages of your website. Simply paste in the following section. CSS. Make header background transparent across pages. Header wrapper. Background. Transparent. Important. Position. Absolute. Important. Width, 100%, important. Z-index, 1000, important. Ensure header sits above content. If you only want this on the home page or first section. Template, index, header, wrapper, background, transparent, important. What this does is ensure that the header is positioned at the top of the page without a solid background and sits above other page content. The Z-index property is set high to keep it visible above all other elements. There's also an additional rule here to make just the home page header transparent if you'd prefer that option. Once you've pasted in the code, remember to save your changes. This is crucial, as without saving, your modifications won't take effect. After saving, it's time to preview your store to see your changes in action. Click on Preview to open your store in a new tab and have a look. You should see that the header now overlays the first section of your site, giving it a clean and modern aesthetic. With this simple change, you've customized your Shopify theme's look, enhancing your site's appeal to visitors. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more ways to personalize your online store. Thanks for tuning in, and happy selling.